Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my first presentation. My presentation topic is artificial intelligence. Presentation
AI.
on artificial intelligence presented by Ibad Hussain. These are the topics I will explain you about in my presentation. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries across the globe with its ability to perform complex tasks and make intelligent decisions. AI has the power to transform businesses and drive innovation. In this presentation, we will explore the various ways AI is reshaping industries and unleashing new possibilities. Defining artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on the development of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI encompasses areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. History of artificial intelligence. The concept of AI was first come in 1950s by computer scientist John McCarthy. Early AI systems focused on logic and symbolic reasoning, laying the foundation for future advancement in machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning. The advent of machine learning revolutionized AI by enabling computers to learn and improve from experience without being epically programmed. This breakthrough has led to significant advancement in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and data analysis. Natural language processing. Natural language processing (NPL) enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. It involves techniques like text analysis, sentiment analysis, and language generation. NLP is crucial for applications such as virtual assistant, chatbots, and language translation. Applications of artificial intelligence (AI) has become an integral part of our daily lives, powering various applications such as virtual assistant, recommendation system, and autonomous vehicles. It has transformed in industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, enhancing efficiency and enabling new possibilities. Future of artificial intelligence. The future of AI is promising with continued advancement in areas such as deep learning, robotics, and natural language processing. AI will continue to disrupt industries, creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. Embracing AI and investing in research and development will be key to staying competitive in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Challenges and ethical consideration. As AI becomes more prevalent, it raises ethical considerations around privacy, bias, and job displacement. It is crucial to develop AI systems that respect our user privacy and ensure fairness in decision making. Additionally, efforts should be made to retrain and upskill workers affected by automation to mitigate job displacement. Conclusion. As AI continues to evolve, ethical consideration become crucial. Issues such as privacy, bias, and job displacement need to be addressed to ensure AI development aligns with social values and benefits all. Responsible AI practice and regulations are essential for sustainable future.